Hi everyone, Michael Jelnik is here from Intelligence Studio and welcome to today's guide. Today I'll demonstrate how to use Monday.com to streamline creative asset management by utilizing 3 interconnected boards, as you can see here on diagram. Each board serves a specific purpose managed by different teams to ensure clarity and focus. First of all, we got Creative Asset Request or Approval Board. It's managed by Creative Management, and they approve basically a request or wishes from users. Once the request is approved, then it goes to creative asset creation, to production, and if it is necessary, it goes to material purchasing as well. You can see interconnection here. In creative asset creation, you can see purchasing status, and in material purchasing, you can see creative asset creation status. Let's dive in. Let's start with creative asset request. First of all, we need to fill the form creative asset request. So what I prepare here, I would like to create a request for even ad, so it would be physical ad. Then I requested a date, so deadline, and then I will post the ad to social media, and in the same time I would like to create an ad physically, so I tick purchasing department should be involved. Once I submit the form, it goes to our board, creative asset request. You can see it here. I can add approver, and so on and so on. And once it's approved, then I change status to approved. This board is for the approval process. So it's managed by creative team management. And once I approved the item, then it goes to creative asset creation and material purchasing process. In the same time, you can see here a connection between creative asset creation board and the material purchasing. We use this board as a crossroad to get status from purchasing to creative asset board, and vice versa, creative asset status to material purchasing board. The next board is creative asset creation. Here, this board is used by the creative team to manage the process of creating approved assets. It ensures all asset creation tasks are clearly assigned and tracked. You can see our approved request here. Create an asset for even ad. You can add copywriter, designer, and so on. You can see the social media which were requested and expected date, and even you can see here purchasing status. This ensures that creative team can immediately start working on the asset and see that it's connected to the material purchasing board, allowing the creative team to track purchasing process if it impacts their work. Next is our material purchasing board. This board is managed by the purchasing team and track the procurement of materials such as banners or printed ads. Tasks from the creative asset request board that require purchasing are routed here. Purchasing team then can update the status, which automatically reflects on other boards. So once I change the status to developer evaluation, when I go to creative asset creation, you can see here purchasing status has been changed to developer evaluation. So because of this connection, creative asset creation team has ability to track purchasing status. And the same happened to our creative asset request. You can see here on the right side, material purchasing status has been changed to the developer evaluation. When I go to creative asset creation and change the status of my ad to working on a text, then on material purchasing, when I refresh the page, then you can see that creative and asset for even ad, creative asset status changed to working on text. The same happened on creative asset request. You can see here working on text. So basically, these connections allow us to see the status of asset creation on the material purchasing board and vice versa. The creative asset request board serves as the central hub or crossroad to monitor the overall progress. However, because we mirror the columns, we can see the status in different processes. For example, if the purchasing team updates a status to completed, this information reflects on both the creative asset request and asset creation board. To wrap this up, this setup can significantly improve collaboration and transparency between your teams, where all the necessary information can be shared across the company. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like or share this video and subscribe for more guides or productivity tips or tutorials. Thank you so much and see you soon in the next video.